Experiencing an iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max overheating? You're not alone. The A18 Bionic chip, while powerful for tasks like 4K video editing and AR gaming, can generate significant heat. Key causes include intensive processing, battery degradation, especially after 500 charge cycles, faulty charging, whether wireless or wired, hot environments above 35 degrees Celsius, and demanding iOS settings like background app refresh. Symptoms include a warm or hot device, rapid battery drain, performance throttling, which causes slowdown, and in rare cases, temperature warnings. Battery health below 80% often contributes to overheating during charging up to 27 watts. Battery health below 80% often contributes to overheating during charging up to 27 watts. To fix and manage overheating on your iPhone 17, start by optimizing your iOS settings. Disable background app refresh to reduce unnecessary processing. Go to Settings, then General, Background App Refresh, and turn it off to prevent apps from running in the background and generating heat. Lower your screen brightness in Control Center to reduce power consumption and heat generation. Swipe up from the bottom and hold to access the app switcher, then swipe up on unused apps to close them and free up system resources. Keep your iPhone away from direct sunlight and hot environments above 35 degrees Celsius, as these can cause rapid overheating. Check battery health in Settings, Battery. If capacity is below 80%, consider an Apple Store replacement to prevent overheating issues. Always use Apple-certified chargers and cables to avoid faulty charging that can cause excessive heat buildup. For gamers, enable low power mode in Settings Battery to limit CPU usage and reduce overheating during intense sessions. Install the latest iOS updates, especially 18.2, which includes optimized thermal management algorithms to handle heat better. Most overheating issues, about 70%, are software-related and can be fixed with the steps above. Hardware problems like faulty heat sinks may need Apple repair. Upcoming iOS versions will feature AI-driven thermal prediction and proactive app limiting to further reduce overheating issues. By following these practical solutions, you can effectively manage and prevent overheating on your iPhone 17.